Everyone wants to be a millionaire, but that can be really hard, and it could be too late for some of us. But don't worry, it's not too late to set up your kids to become one. As a lawyer with decades of experience, I've seen every single strategy. And today I'm going to share the 3 most effective strategies to set up your kids to be millionaires. And stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you a bonus strategy that is so new, most people don't even know it. Let's start with the student loan killer, the 529 plan. I'm going to share with you what it is and then talk about the benefits and drawbacks. A 529 is a tax advantage education savings plan for your child. You contribute after-tax money. The money grows without tax, and if it's used for qualified education expenses, you never pay tax on that growth. And this matters because 529s are no longer just for 4-year colleges. Under current rules, 529s can be used for trade schools, vocational programs, some K through 12 expenses, and if your child doesn't use it, you can roll a portion into a Roth IRA. 529 benefits. The tax benefits are simple and powerful. No tax on growth, no tax on qualified educated withdrawals. And in many states, you also get a tax deduction or credit for contributing. The benefits are obvious. You can dramatically reduce or eliminate student loans. You get tax-free growth for education, and you preserve some flexibility. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks. If you take money out for non-qualified purposes, you'll owe tax and a penalty on the growth portion. And this is not an anything, anytime account. It's meant for educational and long-term planning. On its own, a 529 usually won't make your kids a millionaire, but it removes one of the biggest obstacles to wealth, student debt. Think about the difference between a kid who graduates with hundreds and thousands of dollars in debt and spends years paying it off versus a kid who graduates with little or no debt and invests that same money instead. That 10-year head start alone can be the difference between scraping by and becoming a millionaire in their 40s or 50s. People ask me all the time, are 529s costly to set up? Most 529 plans are free or inexpensive to open. So the 529 handles education and kills future debt. Next, let's talk about the account that quietly builds a tax-free retirement pile while your kid is still young. A custodial Roth IRA is a retirement account in your child's name that you manage until they're adult. Contributions go in after tax. The investments grow tax-free. And qualified withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. There's one key rule: your child must have earned income. That can be a W-2 job, they could be babysitting, working for your family business, or legitimate self-employed income. The benefits here are enormous. This is true tax-free compounding for decades. Small contributions easily can turn into very large numbers later, and parents or grandparents can fund these accounts as long as the child has earned income. Let's talk about why this works. Imagine your child contributes $3,000 a year from age 15 to 25. That's about $250 a month. Assume a reasonable long-term return of around 8%. By age 25, that account would be worth around $50,000. Then imagine they never invest another dollar and simply let it go. By age 65, that account would be between $800,000 and $1 million, completely tax-free. That's why I always say you don't have to be a millionaire to raise one. You just need to start early and let time do the work. And if you can't afford $3,000 every year, that's okay. Even smaller contributions add up. A Roth IRA is designed for retirement, but there are legal exceptions that allow you to use the money earlier without penalties. The key difference is understanding the difference between a contribution and earnings. Roth IRA contributions can always be withdrawn at any time without any penalty. For example, if you contributed $20,000, you can take out $20,000 at any time. Earnings work differently. Normally, pulling out earnings before a certain age can result in a penalty. However, there are exceptions. For example, a first-time home purchase, you can withdraw up to $10,000 penalty-free. Another exception is for higher education expenses. Roth IRA earnings can be used penalty-free for qualified education expenses such as tuition, fees, and books. Again, the penalty is waived, but income tax may still apply if you are under 50 years old. If you become totally and permanently disabled, Roth IRA earnings can also be withdrawn. This flexibility is exactly why custodial Roth IRAs are so powerful. This doesn't mean you should rate a Roth IRA early, but it's important to know the money is not locked away forever. A Roth IRA is not a checking account. It is a long-term wealth tool with built-in flexibility. Used correctly, it protects retirement, supports major life transitions, and helps families avoid high interest debt. Now that we've handled education and launched a retirement rocket, let's talk about the bucket that helps your kids as a young adult and teaches them how to handle money effectively. A custodial brokerage account, also called a UTMA or UGMA, is a regular investment account in your child's name. You manage it until they reach adulthood, usually 18 or 21, depending on your state. And at that point, the money legally becomes theirs. This is the most flexible bucket. The money can be used for a first car, a first apartment, starting a business, a house down payment, or long-term investing. It's also an incredible teaching tool. You can show them statements, explain market ups and downs, and teach long-term investing. The drawbacks matter too. The account is not tax-free. Investment income is subject to kiddie tax rules. And once your child reaches adulthood, you lost legal control. That's why education and moderation matter. This account isn't about instant millions. The real purpose is to fund smart moves that create wealth. Buying assets instead of debt, starting a business, taking a lower paying job with higher long-term upside. For example, investing $200 a month from birth to age 18 at 8% could grow to roughly $90,000. Used wisely, that money could dramatically improve your child's financial trajectory. People ask what happens if an 18-year-old blows it on something stupid. That risk is real. For larger amounts, I prefer you use a trust for guardrails. Now, before we wrap up, I want to talk about one more thing you may be hearing about: the new Trump accounts. There has been a lot of confusion around these, so I want to explain them clearly. Trump accounts are a new type of government-created investment account for children. The goal is to encourage early investing and long-term wealth building. Here's the most important clarifications. Kids do not have to be born after January 1st, 2025 to have the account. That date only determines who gets the free government seed money. Any child under age 18 who is a U.S. citizen with a social security number can set up a Trump account. These can be opened once the program officially launches by a parent or legal guardian. Parents, relatives, guardians can contribute subject to annual limits. However, only children born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028 currently qualify for the one-time seed of $1,000. So older kids can still get the account. Younger kids in the window get the account plus free starter money. The money in these accounts is invested in broad market index style funds. Contributions are made with after-tax dollars. The growth is tax deferred, and withdrawals are later taxed, more like traditional retirement accounts, not a Roth. These accounts can be a nice bonus, especially because of the seed money, but they are not a replacement for the strategies we've already talked about. Think of Trump accounts as an extra tool, not the foundation. Trump accounts are scheduled to become effective starting in 2026, with the first actual contributions to be made around July 4th, 2026. In sum, the 529 still kills student debt. Roth IRA still creates tax-free retirement wealth. Custodial brokerage still provides the most flexibility and real-world investing experience. The biggest mistake I don't want parents making is waiting to take action. When you reduce or eliminate student loans and early tax-free compounding and give your child smart launch money, becoming a millionaire stops being a fantasy. It becomes math plus time. So here's your action plan. Open an account for your child this month. If your child is young, start with a 529. If they have earned income, start with a Roth IRA. Set up automatic contributions. Even $25 or $50 add up. Review the plan once a year and increase contributions if you can. And as your child grows, involve them. Show them the statements. Explain what you're building together. You don't need a lottery ticket. You need a plan, a little money, and time. Tell me in the comments what account you're starting, what you prefer, and I do read every comment.